Good afternoon. Plenty going off with the weather over the next few days. In fact, we've got a change in the story as we speak. We've got rain around this morning, not for all of us. This was Glasgow earlier on. Some heavier bursts of rain, but already it's starting to fragment as it pushes its way steadily eastwards. But we've got rain into parts of northwest England and Wales, the best of the sunshine further south and east. So not a bad morning so far across Surrey, as you can see. It looks likely that with the cloud and the rain, it'll be just a little bit fresher for many of us. Top temperatures generally around 16 to 22 degrees, but in the sunshine, still pretty warm with it. 26, 27 degrees. That's just nudging into 80 Fahrenheit. Now, as we go through this evening, they're still going to see some showery outbreaks of rain for a time drifting its way eastwards. This southwesterly flow feeding in a lot of cloud. It'll be misty and murky, but it's also going to drag with it more humid air. So it will be a mild night, an uncomfortable night for getting a good night's sleep, 15 or 16 degrees. So a warm start to Saturday morning, leading into a pretty warm and increasingly humid day as well. It will be cloudy, misty and damp at times along west-facing coast. Few more organised showers into the northwest of Scotland, but there'll also be some sunny spells for many, and it will feel pretty warm generally across the country. We're looking at 17 to 25 degrees in Scotland and Northern Ireland. Highest values 29, possibly 30, not out of the question somewhere across southern and eastern England. Now, the high pressure just drifts off into the near continent, but we still keep this southerly flow, but a frontal system pushing in from the west. So on Sunday, a real contrast to the story. Best of the sunshine and still pretty hot with it south and east. But as this front moves in into that very warm and humid air, it's going to trigger some sharp, intense, thundery downpours. Noticeably fresher behind it, but hot and humid ahead of it with highs of 30 degrees. Now, as that rain clears away through Sunday evening into Monday, that fresher air will start to take over. And areas of low pressure look likely to start to move in from the north and west. So a change into next week. Yes, it will be a little bit fresher in comparison to of late, and there'll be showers or longer spells of rain at times. Welcome news for the gardens.